Traditional hinges versus invisible hinges. Which one is the best for your doors? Traditional hinges are butt hinges or ball bearing hinges, and invisible hinges are the 3D concealed hinges. Though traditional hinges are the maximum used by architects and designers in their projects, but now the latest trend is to use 3D concealed invisible hinges. Hi, this is Akshat Bansal, architectural hardware expert from Benzoville, and in this video I will decode the reason why 3D concealed hinges could be a better option for your doors in your projects. So when we use traditional hinges, we can see the hinge even when the door is closed, as you can see in the picture, and it's not something which looks great if you are going for a minimalistic interior. Instead, if we use 3D concealed hinges, they are not at all visible when the door is closed, and hence the name invisible hinges. So it looks very neat and clean and is a great option for minimalistic clean interiors, as you can see in the picture above. Also, with traditional hinges, the problem is this: as we all know, wood plays tricks, and over the period of time it tends to shrink or deform, and cause of this, oftentimes you will see the bolts and locks are no longer aligned. So we have to call the carpenter to take off the door and shave off the extra wood and realign the door and reinstall it, which is really a pain. With 3D hinges, as the name says, there is 3-dimensional adjustment possible in XYZ coordinates, and hence no need to take off the door. With screwdriver and Allen key, door can be realigned within few seconds. This is a huge advantage really. Not only it saves time, but also no reworking is required. Another big advantage of 3D hinges is the load bearing capacity. With them, you can go up to 200 kgs of door weights without any problem. At Benzoville, we have 3D concealed hinges which can take up to 120 kgs if 3 pieces are installed on a door. And with 6 hinges, you can go up to 200 kgs of door weight. Usually, this is not the case with traditional hinges. All in all, 3D concealed hinges are much more rugged and strong. Apart from that, it's more clean to look at the 3D hinges even when the door is opened, as there are special caps which cover the entire fitting and the screws, giving them a great aesthetic appeal. At Benzoville, we have 3D invisible hinges available in many finishes to match your door handle finishes and your veneer of the door. Now the main issue is there are a lot of 3D hinges available in the market, so it is very important to not just do shopping by price, but take the expert guidance from a hardware expert who can actually check your door specifications and then accordingly suggest you the best solution. As if a wrong spec product is installed, it will lead to failure after some time. I know you must be feeling overwhelmed by now, whether your carpenter would be able to install a 3D concealed hinge or not. So here is a 2-minute video which will show you how easy it is to install and adjust Benzoville 3D concealed hinges. So let's check it out. I hope you liked the video and now you are well aware of the difference between a traditional and an invisible hinge. If yes, please like this video and share it with your architect friends. And hit the subscribe button below, as at Benzoville we will be coming up with lot of such videos regularly. If you want an expert advice on which hinge is the best suitable for your doors, please contact Benzoville Hardware Expert at 9310406170. Thank you.